Hello friends, welcome to Mr. Yuma Vlogs. Today was a fantastic day in Jabalpur and I really enjoyed the beauty and scenes. Bhedaghat and Dhuadhar Waterfalls are two popular tourist destinations in Jabalpur, Madhya Pradesh, India. Here are some points related to these attractions. Bhedaghat is a small village located on the banks of the Narmada River, about 25 kilometers from Jabalpur. The main attraction of Bhedaghat is the Marble Rocks, a 3 kilometers long gorge with cliffs rising up to 100 feet on either side. The marble rocks are made of limestone and are known for their unique texture and color. Boating is a popular activity here, allowing visitors to explore the gorge and see the rocks up close. The Dhuadhar Waterfalls are located above. Visitors can take a cable car ride to get a panoramic view of the waterfalls, or take a short hike to the base of the falls to feel the mist and hear the roar of the water.
तो दोस्तों ये है अपनी नर्मदा नदी, रिवर नर्मदा, और आप देख सकते हो ये नीचे वाटरफॉल है। लेके चलते हैं आपको उधर, और ये सामने धुआंधार वाटरफॉल लेके चलता हूँ आपको। धुआंधार वाटरफॉल दिखाता हूँ आपको कि जबलपुर में क्या क्या फेमस है। और आज थोड़ा सा लेट हो गया था, अपना काम भी निपटा रहा था, जो टाइम मिला है आपको दिखा रहा हूँ।
The Dhuadhar Waterfalls are a series of waterfalls created by the Narmada River as it flows through a narrow gorge. The name Dhuadhar means smoke cascade, as the waterfalls create a misty spray that looks like smoke. Both Bhedaghat and Dhuadhar waterfalls are popular destinations for tourists and locals alike, and are especially popular during the monsoon season when the waterfalls are at their most spectacular. Other nearby attractions include Chaussat Yogini Temple, Krishnahari Ki Madhya, and the Balancing Rock.
Guys, we are at Dhuadhar Waterfall at Jabalpur, and this is the view. Just look at it. If you are getting it interesting, please do comment. The scene is awesome. Guys, we are at Dhuadhar Waterfall at Jabalpur, and I guess it's too late, but actually I was occupied with some other work, so I got the time to show you all, see the beauty of Jabalpur. So as you have seen, that river is River Narmada, and see the view, man.